Hello everyone and welcome to Spice and Simplicity with Julie, where we make delicious meals effortlessly. Today is extra special for me. I'm making chicken wings for my daughter's birthday. She requested three flavors. But you guys know me, I'm simple. So I'm marinating once and making 3 flavors out of it. If you're new here, you're welcome. We started last year, May, and we have 140 subscribers. So please click on the subscribe button if you want to be receiving these special recipes. For the ingredients, we have chicken wings. Then for the dried spices, we have a generous chicken seasoning, a teaspoon of ginger, 1.5 teaspoon of thyme, 1 tablespoon cayenne peppers, a teaspoon and a half garlic powder, a teaspoon and a half onion powder, a tablespoon of grinded peppercorn. Now I will start adding the spices. So we cover now and keep it in the fridge for 5 hours. This is to allow the flavors to penetrate. Our chicken is ready to be baked and grilled after 5 hours in the fridge. So I'll place them in the pan. So we'll bake for 20 minutes, then now switch to grill. The wings are ready. Now it's time to add the sauces. Next is the barbecue sauce. Our wings is ready. This is the barbecue sauce. And this is the hot wings and Julie's touch without any sauce. Remember to like and subscribe so you can be receiving these special recipes. Thank you.